this entire journey is incredible. But guys, look at the view you get of that mountain. Also the Neelam river down there. You have a bird's eye view, and I mean literally. My guys are here, and I'm climbing up a mountain. This is my first ever time doing so. Guys, let's go on the journey. And let's begin. Guys, this journey is very hard, and it's even harder because of the slippery snow and also the mud. You also be very careful when you step. Guys, this is very dangerous, and it's even more dangerous because of all the snow around us. There's mud and slippery snow. Also ice around the way. There are also rocks like that, which can be a very big problem for us because these can fall at any moment. So we don't want that to happen. That's why we're being very careful. When you are climbing up, and also the view of the Neelam river. It's absolutely beautiful. So let's keep moving on and find more beautiful locations. Right here is the water frozen, and it's all the way up. When you slip, you go down from there or slip down from there. This is actually very slippery. There is no grip. If you have a shoes with like spikes on the bottom, then you can. But the view is amazing. There are extremely thick and extremely tall trees like that one, and all the others. They're extremely high. Like that one, it goes from all the way down there. It's way up there. So let's keep moving. And I can't go again. So guys, when I started climbing up, it was easy. But when I came up and reached a little bit of that point down there was ice frozen. So I kept slipping there. That was the most difficult point of the entire journey. Now we're gonna go up this part to see. We're gonna see how hard this part is. We have to get way up high over there, where the houses are. It's a very difficult journey. So guys, look at that beautiful mountain view. That's absolutely massive mountain and also very beautiful view. So we're going up to a village on top. Hey guys, look at those sheep eating over there. They're farmland sheep. People go put their sheep there so they can't escape anywhere. Because if they do, they'll go down. They won't run anywhere because of how hard it is to get anywhere. Guys, I needed help just to climb up this spot right here. This entire journey is incredible. But guys, look at the view you get of that mountain. Also the Neelam river down there. You have a bird's eye view, and I mean literally. from all the materials that were available in that small area. So this is a tiny snowman, but